What the hell was that? Oh god, I've moved the camera. Why is there still some there? Home. Minecraft movie Happy Meal stuff. First upload in a long time. Been 2 weeks since this came out. I am so late, but it do not matter because finally I got my hands on it, and we're gonna check out what's inside. So let's get cracking. The design's cool. It's just it doesn't make sense because it's a horizontal chest instead of square. The McDonald's logo. Free plus, free plus, free plus, free plus, free plus, free plus. I've sort of already munched. I've sort of bitten off the sticker, sort of. I've sort of taken off the sticker, but I haven't seen what's inside. So, without further ado, let's get cracking inside of the box. So, let's open a Minecraft movie toy for the adult male because the kiddie ones are cool, but crappy. Dookie doo-doos. Let's have a little look. Oh my god. You need to see this. Look at a broken bag. Oh no, I've teared it. No, I've teared it more. Oh my god. Oh my god. McDonald's giving you ripped ass, bro. Bro. It's like Ronald McDonald's been shredded. Why is it so busted? Oh my god. Let's just get that out of the way. Let's take the toy out. For God's sake. Artificial Berber. Ooh, it's shiny. I'm getting all my oily fingers all over this. Two. Details are alright. Obviously, it's a Berber. Can you even open this thing? Because it looks like you can open it at the top here. I don't want to break it. Push. Now there's other stuff in this box. Put this on the podium of... I still can't get over the fact that this thing is absolutely flipping destroyed. Absolutely flipping destroyed. Alright, on the podium. So inside we does look like we do have some other. We got my little Pokemon card, oh my god, the shine on that. Oh my god. Big Mac. Big Mac Crystal. Oh, Big Mac Crystal. That shine is so nice. What's the point of calling this sesame seed, bro? Sesame seed shines. Oh my god, there's a bulge coming out of it, bro. But my boy, why that is it actually a bulge? It is. My boy. What? Ew. Well, the box is absolutely done with. I'm going to put everything kindly back in. Everything else goes in, but the crappy paper, because I am not keeping a hold of this. Thank you for watching my yearly upload. And I'll see you in 10,000 years. See you now. Like and subscribe, please, 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 please.